Count a function counts how many values are list of arguments. In this example, let's change our count function to count a. Right now, count is counting in the numericals. Count a will give you the values. The answer is 6, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there is no blank. So if I delete a, it will be 5, and if I delete this number also, it will be 4. So in a given set of range, the cells containing some value, either it's numeric or alphabetic, are 4. Count A opposite is count blank. Next function is count blank.